everyone and welcome to my pancakes in a bottle video. Do you remember this video? It got about 17k views. Why? I don't know. So today I decided to redo the video because it's so lame. Today I'm using Greens Maple Pancake Shake. Pancakes in a bottle. So in the comments, people were saying please use milk instead of water. It's going to taste better. So today I decided to try it with some milk. Let's open. It smells so good, like maple. So there's the level of how much water I should use. So I'm just going to fill this up with milk. Let's see how long it takes from start to finish. Okay, so let's add the milk. Bad idea. Okay, I got the milk in, so I need to really seal this up tightly so it doesn't spill. And it's time to shake. Ooh, this will be really fun for a kid, right? I think it's ready. Okay, let's heat up our pan really quickly. I'm going to add in my butter. I'm going to use a little bit of oil just so that the butter doesn't burn. Just a few drops. I don't want my pancakes really soggy, so I'm going to keep them to the side. My pan is ready to go. I'm going to lower the heat in case it burns. One, two. It's cooking really well. When and why would I use this pancake mix? Because it's really convenient. If you have kids or if you're going on a holiday trip, like a camping trip, it's really cool. I'm just gonna see if it's gonna flip. It's ready to flip. It's stuck. It's stuck. It got burnt and stuck. It got stuck. I make a lot of pancakes, but this one seems to be stuck onto the pan today. Maybe it's the milk, maybe it's the pan, I'm not sure why. It got really stuck. Really bad. I had to turn off the heat because it got stuck. Only one did not stick. Because these pancakes turned out so badly, they got stuck really bad to the pan. I want to try it over the stovetop and see how it works. Okay, so my cameraman is going to move the camera for me and let's go. So since that pan was a disaster, let me try it on this pan and see how it works. So I'm going to put it up on about medium heat, put in my butter. So I'm just going to pour this in. That should be okay. It looks so good and it smells so good. So it's starting to bubble up a bit. So you know it's ready to flip when it has bubbles on it. So I feel like it's almost ready. I hope it's not burnt. Wow, it's so perfect. Maybe it was my pan that is bad. Our pan is really old now, but we use it a lot. Okay, let's see. Or maybe it's the pancake mix. Of course, you don't eat one pancake at a time, you eat about 2, right? Who eats one pancake? Okay, so I have my pancakes here. It came out okay. It's what I noticed about it, it stuck to the pan both times, but I managed to get it okay on the stove, I think because I added a lot more oil. So I'm going to add my butter. And now I'm going to add my maple syrup. Doesn't that look good? Okay, of course I want some cream. So I'm ready to taste it. What do you enjoy your pancakes with? Butter? Maple syrup? Cinnamon and sugar? It's really tasty. It's sweet, it's delicious, but gooey and a bit delicious. Enjoy some pancakes with some coffee. It's a lot of maple syrup taste. It's very sweet. It's absolutely delicious. Because it got stuck to the pan, it has a lot more crispiness to the bottom, and it tastes so good. It just tastes so good. But I'm just wondering, did it stick to the pan because of the milk? Because there's no oil in this mixture as well? I don't know. Leave a comment below. Tell me, what do you think? Do you think it stuck to the pan because of the milk? Should I try it with water? Or do you think it's my lousy pan? Well, it was this pan and that pan that stuck. But this was worse. Lousy pan. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's not as lame as my last one. So if you're looking for a convenient pancake mix, you should try this Greens. Remember to use water and don't use milk like I did. Maybe it won't stick to the pan. Use a non-stick pan and use a nice pan, not like me. Stay tuned for another pancake video soon. I'm going to showcase my favorite pancake mix and you're going to totally love it. So subscribe to this channel for more cool videos like this. Kinda lame and boring and weird. But if you like it, subscribe, leave a comment and let me know what I should try next. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
1995?
Yeah,
Huh?
1994.
Go again.
What should I say? Okay, that's a wrap. I'm gonna eat my pancakes. I need to exercise clothing.